Hey, the Scratch class is open! I am Jesus Skratch and this is Kodh, DJ and producer, and we are going to show you how to do the stab or chop. It is a very popular scratch created in the 80s, so get ready for a lot of fun and excitement. Now, let's start! Basically, the stab, or we can call it also chop, is a super fast forward scratch. If you don't know how to do the forward scratch, there's the link in the description to learn how to do it. So, very important pointer now. You need to be at the beginning of the sound, the starting point of it. So you already know you have to be at the beginning of the sample. So we open the fader to be able to listen to the sound. Here it is, Kodh. You're at the beginning of the sound, so it's great. So basically, let's do a forward. And now we want to make it faster, and we want to accelerate also the play of the sound. I don't know if we say play, but we need to accelerate it like this. Do it. So we do a forward, but we accelerate the sound. So, this is the stab. Let's do it with a beat. And please find your count. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's do some more, you know what I'm saying? So, this is the stab. We hope you liked this video, guys. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and hit the notification bell to get notified of new great video content. And if you have any questions, drop it in the comment. See you guys on a new video. Bye!